Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforex.com. Okay, I'm making this video about how to add indicators and template and EA in the proper folder of your MT4 platform. So let's get started. Let me get this out of the way. Okay, so this is just my website. So now I'm going to open. First, I'm going to show you that what I did. I send the package to one of my other email, right? So I'm going to show you that how to download that from the email once you get it in the email, or anywhere, anywhere you get my package, and then you copy on your clipboard and then save it on the desktop. Okay, let's do that. So this is my email, and here is the package that I sent to myself in this email from my other email. So I'm going to click here and see what happened. Okay, so the email is there, right? It opens up, and then this is where the package is, new package, new subscription package. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll download this. Okay, here, see if I download. So what it will do, it will download here somewhere, right? Or whatever the Windows version you're using, but you will know where it is. So it's here in my computer, in my Windows 10 I'm using. It downloads like a zip folder here, right? So I'm going to open it up, and I'm going to say that okay, show, or just complete. You can have the folder here, show in folder, so you can copy it. Let me show you. So this is what it is, and then it will show the folder where it is. This is where it is, right? So I'm going to copy that and here, and then I go on my desktop. This is where, right? And I'm going to place it as a paste. So now, where is that? It copied itself here as new subscription package, right? So now I have it saved on my desktop, and I'm not going to lose it. So I can, forget about my email now, right? Gone, close. You can, close your email, no big deal. And this is your website, whatever, blah blah blah. So now you go on your desktop and double click on this folder, zip folder, to unfold it. And then you see that you have a couple of other folders here. One is says Magic IV System in MT4. The other one is, this is the you may not get this folder. This is just example. I'm using it, but let's open this one up. I think we have indicator here, right? So double click on that Magic IV System. You see this folder here, indicators, and then the other one is a template, right? So this indicator, double click on that, and you have these indicators, right? You may have some other indicators as well. If I add some, I've decided to add some other indicator, right? So whatever, you copy all of them, right? Like this is the range indicator, the daily open, IBFX. This is the Renko chart builder, very very important. And this is the divergence. This is a high low, very very important, right? So we just copy all of that. Oops, what did I do? All right, copy one by one. Here, sometimes this computer mess things up here. Okay, so now this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. So we copy all of that. So highlight all, and then right click and copy. Right, now that we have all in our clipboard, copy on that, we go on our MT4 platform, whatever you're using, whichever the platform, doesn't matter, as long as it is MT4. So now we are here in MT4, right? So where do we go? We go here in File, and then you go Open Data Folder, right? And this the new window is gonna pop up right here. Now here you have a folder here, different folders, right? So one of them is MQL4. Double click on that, and then you have indicators. So a lot of folders here, right? One of them is indicators. Double click on that, and here you have a bunch of indicators from built-in indicators with MT4. That comes with MT4s. So here you just go on anywhere on the window, right click and paste. Okay, so what will happen is just all those indicators will be adding in this folder, right? it is asking me to replace the files in the destination because I already have them, right? So you would not see this window. They will only, simply add in this folder. So I'm just gonna skip it because I already have them. So I'll say no, don't do it. I'm okay, right? So it did anyway. One of them, I guess. So indicators are there now. So we can go. You may not see them immediately, but when you close the platform and then you reopen them again, then you will see it. But I'm just going to show you that, okay, this Renko chart builder, see IVFS indicators right here, Renko chart builder, you see right there, right? So all of them came here, Sam's high, low, close, all of them added already, right? Similarly, now we go back to the desktop again, okay, and then we go, and then what do we do here? Where is that the package? We open over here, right? Now again, what do? We open this, and we saw something there. What's up? Okay, I'm getting mad. Why? All right. So now here, see this indicator? We already did, right? Now template, my Magic Ivy template. So double click on that. This is a folder for the template. So you have this here. What is it? Template. This is not indicator. This is a template. So we highlight that and we copy just like we did the indicator. So copy. And now we go and open MT4 platform again. It is already there. I don't want to get confused. I'm going to open it again. Data folder. Okay. There we go. So now we're talking about what we have copy is a template, right? So we need a folder which says template, which is right here. You don't have to go to MQL4. You have the template right here. So we double click on it and just drop that template here by right click and paste. Okay. So that template will come here as well. Now what do we have? We go back to our desktop again, and then double click on here again. Then you see that here, let me see if I have the magic alarm here. I don't have the alarm. Okay, so now you know that the template and all the indicators, how to add them, right? This is just a webinar study package here. Harmonic pattern, Elliott wave, all of that, I guess, right? Yeah. So how to do the EA, expert advisor, which is an alarm. I'll make another video. I want to make small videos, separate videos, so you can understand things clearly. Okay, this is only to add indicators and the template to the right folders. Once you've done that, what you need to do is you close your MT4 and reopen it again, and then go there, where? Go here, this navigator button, right? Click on that and look for those indicators you saved, right? So see that the range indicators here, and all of those indicators are Renko chart builders here, right? So I got the indicators already, and then you go and look for your template here. See the template, click here and look for Magic Ivy System template is right here. Okay, so now both are the things, both things are there in a proper folder, and you're ready to go, right? The only thing now is that how to add the Magic Ivy System, which I will make a video, next video, which I will show you that not Magic Ivy System, Magic Ivy Alarm, how to add that, which folder, and how to apply. Okay, and then I'm going to make a third video where I'm going to say how to prepare the chart using all those indicators, template, and Magic Ivy Alarm, right, for trading. So this is it for now on this video. Next video will be how to add Magic Ivy Alarm into the right folder and use it. Okay, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.